Yo, check it. So tastic. Let's get it. Facebook raps, love it. Y'all know when it goes down. I'm in, so tastic. Derek Tachiyama, I mean this from the heart. Just stop rapping, dude, cause I'ma tear you apart. Sounds like you got your rhymes at a bargain shop. I'm surprised nobody's bothered to even call a cop, cause this shit is so whack, it should be illegal. I'm a dog, a pit bull, you're a puppy beagle. Kill you on the court, man, I kill you on the verse. Put you in a lyrical hospital, somebody call a nurse. Eminem is your idol? That's just dandy. Idolize some dude that's named after candy. I mean, I guess it's okay. After you watch this, I know that you'll have nothing to say. Cause when you watch me rap, you know I killed this game. Putting you on your Facebook raps to shame. Yo, so tastic, I'm the real deal. Do so good, I might seem unreal. To you and you, y'all watching this. This goes out to Baby D, but it ain't a diss. This is just to let you know that you need to improve. Baby D, you got something to prove. You say you made the first Jimmy Simpson rap. My dude, listen to this in on someone's lap. Ooh. Here we go, check it. Here we go, Jimmy Sim, yeah, Frost Up team. You don't know this dude unless you heard him scream. Get off my brown, get off my brown. Get off my brown, get off my old Jimmy Simpson raps, they ain't hard to do. Derek Tachiyama, let's get back to you. Oh my gosh, I'm still going, Derek, don't wait, don't hold up, dude, I'm still going. Flowing and going and showing it. Check it, yo, so tastic. Put your raps on Facebook, tag everyone in. If we had a battle, man, you know I'd win. You suck at this game, I'ma give you the boot. I beat you in the battle, even if I was mute. Yo, I think I'm coming to an end right now. I think it's done. Like, I think I killed you off already. So, let me end it here. So tastic on the beat, you can't touch my swag. Either get back at me or throw up the white flag. Bye!